Pivot tables can include calculated fields. In this pivot table, I have some real estate data. I have for each salesperson the total amount we were asking for the houses that they sold and the total amount for which we sold those houses. So you can see overall if we sold houses for less than what we were asking as a total. Now, what we want to do is set a goal for each salesperson, real estate agent. And let's say the selling price, we want to increase the total that they sell for the year by 1%. So we're going to create two columns, one with the amount of increase, and then another column that has the total amount of the increase plus the selling price total to get the total goal amount. Okay, so all you have to do is click anywhere in the table. We're going to analyze and fields, items, and sets under the calculations grouping. We'll go to calculated field. We can name the field, and I'm going to put goal amount of increase. And the formula, we want the formula to be the selling price. We want the total amount that they sell to be increased by 1%. Okay, so we're going to say selling price, and I just double clicked on that, times 0.01 for the 1%. And you can click on add or OK, and it will include that column. So you can see that in order to meet the goal, Aguilera will need to increase his or her sales for the next year by $38,360. So let's look at the total goal amount that Aguilera and the other salespeople would need to sell to meet the goal for next year. So it should be the sum of the selling price plus that goal amount of increase. So again, we're going to click anywhere in the table, go under the Analyze Field Items and Sets, Calculated Field, and we'll call this Total Goal Amount. And I'm going to put selling price just so that we know it's not the asking price. The formula we'll use for that is the selling price plus the amount of the increase. We'll click on OK from there. So what that means is we've got our selling price plus that amount that we have as our goal for the increase. And then if you add those two together, that's going to give us the total goal amount that we need to sell for the next year. Okay. If you want to go in and edit your calculated fields, go under Fields, Items, Sets, and Calculated Field. You can click here, and these are old fields that I don't have listed in the table anymore, but you can go in and for the goal of increase, if I wanted to change it to 2%, for example, I can click on OK and it will automatically change that. Or if I don't want these old fields, I can just go in, click on it, and delete it. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward to add the calculated fields to a pivot table. You just need to practice a little bit to get accustomed to it.